What's up, y'all? I made a salad. It got It got a lot of shit in here. It got romaine lettuce, potato salad, green onion, tomatoes, imitation crab meat, croutons, motherfucking red onion. I made an Italian pasta salad, so I put that in here. Banana peppers, cheese, shit, bacon bits, girl, broccoli, everything, beets and all of that. Cheese and shit. I don't know. Did I already say that?
Yeah.
It's good as fuck. Look. Come get you one of these. It's a naughty salad. Cut it.
Pause it.
Mm-hmm.